Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video that I did a job with using a product called from Laser Jumpstart, and I used Name It, and I actually started playing around with BatchIT, which I'd used before, but I never had used it actually in a job. And I'm not promoting this product, I'm just letting you know what's out there. And a lot of people are going, so, you can do that with print merge and, inside of Corel. You can't do it this easy. And so if you didn't watch the first video, I made the page of I made the page size, the page of the plaque, and I made a jig. So if you want to watch that one, there's a little more information. But I'm going to use a product this time called BatchIT. And I just put in, well, I'm going to tell you what, we'll just delete this. So I started out with this, and then I'm going to add you can add a number, you can add a BatchIT, and I'm going to name for name. I added it. I'm going to add another one, and now I need to change it to title. And this would be very helpful if you were using a lot of different items. So you've got those in there, and if you see, I've got title and name written in there at my size font. And there's a lot more information on the other video I just made. But just hit go instead of hitting, go twice. It did both of them. So that's the batch in BatchIT. It put the name, it put the title at my font and my font size. And as long as you center justify it, it's going to stretch it out equally in the page, and everything's going to be centered. So that's a product called BatchIT by Laser Jumpstart, and it's some cool stuff. That's relatively cheap for some software that'll do it that fast and that precise. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.